In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Microsoft Teams chat messages. If you need to quickly share an important message with someone else in Teams, the built-in forward option makes that process simple and efficient. This is especially useful when you want to pass along details from one conversation to another without copying and pasting the text manually. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or conversation where the message is located. Make sure you are in the correct thread before moving on, especially if you have several active chats open. Taking a second to confirm the right conversation can help avoid forwarding the wrong message. Once you found the message you want to share, move your cursor over it. When you hover on the message, more options will appear. Look for the three dots, which usually open the message actions menu. Click those three dots to reveal the available options for that message. From the menu, click forward. This tells Teams that you want to send that specific message into another chat or conversation. Using the forward feature helps preserve the original message content and keeps the process neat and consistent. After that, you'll need to add the recipients. In the recipient field, type the name of the person or the group chat you want to send the message to, then select the correct result when it appears. Be careful here and choose the intended recipient, especially if there are similar names in your organization. If needed, take a quick moment to review who you've added before continuing. Once your recipients are in place, click forward again to send the message. Teams will then deliver that forwarded message to the selected chat. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded Microsoft Teams chat message. This is a great option when you want to share updates, instructions, or context from one conversation with another person without rewriting anything yourself. As a quick tip, before you forward any message, make sure the content is appropriate to share with the new recipients. Forwarding is fast, so it's always a good idea to double check both the message and the recipient list before sending. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to forward Microsoft Teams chat messages.